Good afternoon, Doc. Good afternoon, classmate. I am tasked to discuss the subtopics of Chapter 3, Organizational and Natural Environment. The subtopics are financial institutions, competitors, other stakeholders group, economic variables, and political variables. Before I proceed to my main topic, let me ask first, do you agree that financial is the lifeblood of everybody as well as in organization? Yes, financial is ensures the stability and growth. It provides a clear pictures of a future plan. It also covers overall expenses. So therefore, organizations need an institutions that will extend a financial help. Today, I am going to discuss what is financial institution, different types, importance, and functions. First, what is financial institution? Financial institutions is an institutions or organizations that provide financial services for its client, members, and society. It is a company that engaged in business of dealing with financial and monetary transactions such as deposits, loans, investments, and currency exchange. Financial institutions provide or offers a wide range of services. These are the deposits, share certificates, different types of loans, and investments. Financial institutions have different types, different major types. These are the central banks, commercial banks, retail banks, credit unions, saving and loans association, investment banks, brokerage firms, insurance companies, and the last one is the mortgage companies. Type of financial institutions. Sayop na po. Pinabasahon. Huwag mo nang basahin, bibian.